That's what you call a cattle drive.
Let us through this spot. I'll never come to Nighthawk again.
This is hilarious. No problem.
The Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in Cleveland, broadcasting live from the Albert Street Studio on Sirius XM.